Good morning, beautiful people. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having an amazing day. Bitcoin pumped yesterday. Why? Because one man went on stage, Jerome Powell, for the announcement. The federal interest rate was decreased by 0.5, which 50 basis points, but it's really 0.5. However, that was the biggest reduction they've made in almost 4 years. They've been increasing the rates to make money more expensive, to reduce the flow of money, the liquidity that's in the world because of inflation, too much money. They increase the interest rates. It's too costly to borrow money. So the price of money, there's less money circulation. So the price of money becomes stronger and you get less inflation. So they've been increasing interest rates for the last few years, for the last 4 years, to try and to slow down this inflation. And yesterday they went the other way. They reduced interest rates by 0.5. Everyone was expecting, including me, 0.25, so they can slowly start up the economy again without increasing inflation. But what was interesting, they went straight to 0.5. That means they've been squeezing the markets too much. They've been squeezing the economy and jobs too much. So they went a big rate reduction. And because of that, it means money is cheaper to borrow. It means they're going on a less predatory attack against inflation. That means they're starting up the economies again by lowering interest rates. And Bitcoin and the stock markets had a massive pump because of that. We're going to jump in the charts for Bitcoin. We're going to look at Ethereum technical analysis. I'm going to show you my $667,000 account, up $30,000 yesterday and up almost $67,000 from 2 days, which is beautiful. And I'm going to read your requests and technicals requests. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals, and we had a massive pump in the market, and Bitcoin is pumping right now actually, or something is pumping because my account is going up. I'll show you on Bybit. We just had a 664,000. Yesterday it was 613,000. Today, then the day before yesterday, 613,000. The next day, 647,000. Today, 664,000. So in the last few days, I'm up $51,000, which is beautiful. My Bitcoin trade is $33,000 in the profits. Remember this trade, everyone? Everyone was like, it went negative 30,000. Now it's positive 33,000, which is beautiful. Bitcoin up 3%, continually pumping, which is amazing. Let's go into the technicals. We'll start off with Bitcoin first, 61,920, pumping right now, which is beautiful. Congratulations, everyone. And if you watch my trades, look at the accuracy of my trades, everyone. I really want to show you this because this is quite incredible. I'm a master trader. I sold Bitcoin up here at 65K. Then I bought Bitcoin down here at 57, 54, and 52. And now we're at 62. So I sold Bitcoin at 65. I went all in cash if you watched all my warning videos. Then I bought the dip on Bitcoin and altcoins, and now we're at 62K, and this trade is back to 33 while I closed the other trade in massive profits as well, which is amazing. Congratulations, everyone who follows. On the weekly charts, let's go into the weekly on Bitcoin. Bull flag, cup and handle, 100. We're waiting. My target is 150 days after the halving. 560 days. 27th of October will be the top at 269K is my target. We've got this bull flag. We've got this descending wedge. Stochastic is turning up very strongly. Squeeze mob is going green. Crypto guru bot still a blue buy. It fired a blue buy in February 2023 at around 20K. It's still a blue buy now at 60K. You get it in the crypto master course, jamescryptoguru.com. You also get the Bitcoin indicator bot in the master course. It fired a sell, did not yet fire a buy. Let's go into the daily. Stochastic heading up on the weekly, which is very good sign. Stochastic on the daily quite overbought, slightly doing a double top. Let's see how much it can push up. It broke out of this descending triangle that I was talking about the last few days or weeks even. Descending triangle, builds pressure, usually breaks out 70% of the move. And I was wondering, do we get an early break or do we pull back down? And it looks like we're getting an early break right now. We broke out early. It confirmed with volume spike. So we're looking like we're going for this run. We also have this big W formation forming on Bitcoin. Target will be 68 and 72K. And yesterday's trade, the riskier trade activated. Yesterday's trade activated and massively in profits, which is beautiful. Congratulations. This trade, the safer trade, not yet in effect. Yesterday's riskier trade activated. If you haven't taken a trade, try to catch it on another support. So like some kind of pullback onto support area, which would be, we already broke out and we already confirmed. If there is some kind of pullback, some kind of news, you want to have your trade set up on a little bit of a pullback, because the money is made when you buy, not when you sell. You saw when I was buying at 52, that's where I've made the money, you know what I mean? By buying low, I already made my profits. So I would take the trade from, the riskier trade I'll take from the big supports here on the monthly and weekly supports. And I'll do tight stop loss. So opening at 59,000, stop loss 58,597. Take profit, my 76. I would do it all the way to the top of the bull market. First big target's 105, but the top of the bull market, 560 days of the halving, is 269k. My target on Bitcoin is now massive, everyone. This is the trade I would take. This is a monster trade. Risk to reward 450 times. For every dollar risk, potential gain is 450 times. Where can you risk $100, $1 to make $450? Where can you risk 100? So here, risking $467 per Bitcoin can make a profit of $210,000 per Bitcoin. So risking 467 with the stop loss can make 210,000 with no leverage per Bitcoin. This trade setup would open at 59,000, stop loss 58,597. If you want to take a riskier trade, I would take it off this support area. Tight stop loss 60,300 open, 60,000 stop loss, same take profit 267. I might take profit at 72k. I might take profit at 88k, 105k. These are all my profit taking targets. But I will, and 161 is also one, and the final target is 269. These are the two trades I'll take. This one is 658 risk toward risking 319 to make 200 something thousand. This one 535. Those are the two trades I would take on Bitcoin. You're going to see my $600,000 account. I'm going to show you my trades. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, go underneath the video down below. Sign up to Bybit using that link. You get a $60,000 bonus when you meet their trading requirements. Bybit is the second biggest exchange in the world. If you've been losing money on exchanges, or if you have high fees, or you're getting liquidated with liquidation spikes, Bybit doesn't do that. It's my favorite exchange for trading. It's the second biggest crypto exchange in the entire world, and they have credit cards and debit cards connected to your trading account, which is amazing. Take the crypto master course to learn all this. You'll get the bots, you'll get the indicators, you'll learn how to set up your charts, how to trade, how to open the trades that I talked about, how to set stop losses, take profits, etc. And then join us in the Telegram. There's a few hundred of you anytime online, and there's around 9,000 in the Telegram chats. Also, the course is around $300 for the course. And if you think I'm trying to sell you a $300 course, this is my trading account. This is my live Bitcoin trade, $34,000 in the profits, 34,300. You should take some of that $300 there, that 364, 333. The course is, and buy the course. This is my account, $666,212, pumping as we're speaking, which is beautiful. Congratulations. This was the best trade if you've been seeing my trades lately, it's not showing the older trades, but if you saw this is just the beginning, but if you saw the previous month, I also sold up here, and then I also bought exactly down the bottom. And I also, if you followed my trades, it's been incredible year of trades. Bitcoin breaking $62,000 right now as I make the video. Funding fee 0.01. My trade $34,230 in this profit. 666,079,000 in this account, which is beautiful. Bitcoin trade 34,297. Congratulations to all of you. Let's go into Ethereum, and then I'm going to read your questions. Big congratulations to anyone who's followed my trades lately. These trades incredible. Let's go into the week. Ethereum didn't activate this trade on the weekly. It pumped out a little bit, 2259. It looks like it's going to go, to be honest. Stochastic oversold heading up off the main yellow trend line that Ethereum's been on all the way back to 2022. It's been on this main yellow trend line. It went all the way to 4,000, pulled back to 2,000. It's 50% off the high while the ETFs are buying Ethereum. Crazy. Where I would take a trade on Ethereum, I would take it off this yearly support line, this blue one. This is the trade I would open on Ethereum. Opening at 2287, stop loss 22 underneath the yellow support, 2 2198. So opening at 2287. You need to take the crypto master course to learn how to open these trades, or the stock guru master course as well. Take them both. Take all the courses to understand this. Best money you'll ever spend in your life. 2284, stop loss 2198. Take profit is the target 4,726, which is the descending triangle, building pressure and then breaking out. Target 4,700 for Ethereum. So my target for Bitcoin is 269,000. My target for Ethereum is 4,726, which is amazing. Right now in my asset breakdown, so my Bitcoin trade 34,434. Bitcoin still pumping 34,500. This account is 666,313. And this is my asset breakdown. You can see here. And these are my Bitcoin trades from before as well. Check it out. Let's see if it shows all my Bitcoin trades here for the past. No, it only shows the recent ones, which sucks because you would see same on the spot. I sold Bitcoin up here at 64K, bought the bottom of Bitcoin, exactly bought 52,535, and now we're up here. My asset breakdown in spot is Bitcoin 19%, 1.66 Bitcoin, 19% of the portfolio, 30% still in cash, 161K, Doge 18%, MCRT 14.6%, Uniswap 8%, Ethereum 6.8%. So I want to do Doge, I'll do next, and then I'll see your request because Doge is one of my bigger holdings. Doge is also breaking out of a massive pattern. Doge is also breaking out of a huge descending wedge. You see, massive descending wedge that goes all the way back to the beginning of this year. Builds pressure, breaks out. The base of the wedge target will be 20 cents, and Doge has already started its move. Everyone, it already retested, broke out again. Amazing. If you haven't taken a trade, I'll try to catch it off the 200 weekly average. Congratulations, anyone that took trades with me down at 0.07. I bought $100,000 worth of Doge down there, and that is paying off very beautifully. This is the trade I'll take on Doge, 0.09, stop loss 0.091, and take profit is 0.19, risk toward 31 times. And same with Doge. Congratulations, anyone who bought Doge with me. Down there, I'll show you. My buys on Doge, Uniswap were also incredible. Check out my buys on Doge. So this is my Doge buys, everyone. These are my buys on Doge. Look at that. I bought exactly near the bottom. Look at all these support buys on the bottom. And I've got now holding in Doge, I've got $100,000 worth of Doge, which is beautiful. Almost 964,000 Doge. And yeah, let's read your request now. Bitcoin trade 33,700. Let's read some of your requests. I said the biggest Bitcoin bull market in history is about to start. That was 24 hours ago. He says, no, it's not. Stop. So that was 24 hours ago. He said, no, it's not. Stop. That's what happened to Bitcoin since he said, no, it's not. Stop. I said biggest Bitcoin bull market in history is about to start for Bitcoin yesterday down here. And now we're at 62,000. So yes, it is, Gems. Yes, it is. Greetings to you. I don't know that flag. Can you let me... Rowdy, what flag is that? Hi, Rowdy, from whichever country that flag is. Awesome. Full moon magnet. Come on, James, let's not get political here. Saying things like Trump cares about you, Elon cares about you is crazy. No, it's not, guys. Those two do care about you. Biden and Harris were fake politicians. You didn't even vote them in. Elon and Trump does not care about you. They care about their money. With Trump, no wars. With these fake politicians, Biden and Harris, who aren't even real or have their own thoughts, almost world war. You have massive war with Russia. You have massive wars in the Middle East. With Trump, you had peace in the Middle East. You had no wars with Russia. You had peace with Russia. So anyone, if you're still defending these monsters, Harris and Biden, if you're still defending them while two massive wars with Russia and the Middle East exploding under their leadership, while Trump had zero wars, he was the first president in 250 years to have zero wars, everyone. Everything else you're talking about is you've just been tricked. You've been tricked to allow massive wars and to let your election get stolen. Hello, James. Where are you every morning? In the boat? No, I'm on the beach. I'm in the water, actually, when I record my videos. Thanks. You're welcome. France, welcome. Sirv. Bitcoin can go to all-time high while stock market is preparing for another recession. Stock market has had the stock market, in my opinion, is not ready. Some stocks, obviously, there's going to be some stocks that pump and slump. I'm mostly in Tesla right now, and if you've been watching my videos, my target for Tesla is $580. Ghana always watching, awesome, all the way from Ghana. Thank you, Kwan. Everyone, put your country flag in the comment section. From England, Bilaj. Hello from Spain. Hi, Zurich. From Jurita, Netherlands. Frank. Hi, Frank. Love your videos, James. I'm going to start your course next week when I have some time off work. Please, would you give us TA on Sol? Thank you and God bless. We'll do if there's more requests. So please make a video on Solana. Done. Two requests on Solana. That will be the last one I quickly do. Solana. I have hundreds of questions. Yesterday's video was massive. My videos are getting watched every day by almost 40,000 people. So it's almost 2 stadiums, or like a giant stadium full of people. My Solana trade activated, everyone. Already huge in the profits. My Solana trade was at $129. Now we're at $134. But this big bullish pennant is ready to go on Solana. The way these bullish pennants work, it's in a symmetrical triangle now, builds pressure, breaks out. The target is the base of the triangle. Target of this Solana moves is $309, also of the cup and handle. So you have this target of this symmetrical triangle, which is the target is here, 266. And then you have the target of this massive cup and handle, which is formed on nearly every big cryptocurrency. And that target for Solana is 309. And congratulations, anyone who took the Solana trade from my last videos. We spiked down this week, activated the trade at 129. It came down to 127, and now we're back at 135. So big congratulations, anyone who watched my previous Solana request, which is amazing. Portugal, hello, Black Scar. Keep ranting, James. They need to know the sheep are the enemies. Well said, go Trump. Guys, Trump and Elon Musk, it's the last chance for freedom of speech in the world. I know, because I was an influencer during COVID. I tried to warn so many people, be careful of things, be careful of what they're telling you, do your own research, but I kept getting banned. They banned my socials on Twitter, they banned my socials on YouTube, they banned me everywhere when I was trying to warn people, do your own research, don't look into a new thing that's been created. They shouldn't be giving 6 billion people this new medicine that was just created. It was crazy to me, but they keep banning, and they were banning everyone who's fighting for this stuff, everyone who's talking about free speech. They were banning everyone who was talking about be careful of untested drugs. And they were silencing us. And Elon Musk came in and he bought Twitter, 44 billion for free speech. And since Elon Musk, I know, because I'm an influencer on X, I'm an influencer in socials, I have free speech again to talk about this stuff. If you don't defend free speech right now with Trump and Elon, it's the last chance for everyone in the world. You can see it. The entire world is trying to make everyone stop free speech, to make them locked up, to make them restricted. Only Elon Musk and Trump are standing for the freedoms of people. And you have just this one chance to stand up for freedoms left in the world for free speech. In my opinion, the whole world is clamping down on it. James, the Old Testament states, thou shalt not murder. You are correct. I only go by the 10 commandments, everyone. I do believe in Jesus. Jesus is amazing. He's the Son of God. But the 10 commandments were the direct commandments of God. The first one, like one of the top commandments, do not kill. Want to be like you one day, starting to love life like you, James. Love from Poland and Ukraine. Awesome salt. Everyone love life. The youngest you're ever going to be is today. The youngest you will ever be is today. You only get older. Your body only gets weaker. The youngest you'll ever be is today. This is the best day of your life. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.